Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to remove multiple copies or operating system in your Windows. So whenever you open your Windows, you will get another option, and it's very annoying, right? So today I'll teach you how to remove that. First is you need to press Windows and R key together, or you can simply do a right click here at the start icon and go for run. Okay, so the moment you open this small window, you just input here msconfig. Okay, so make sure all letters are in lowercase and then simply click OK to proceed. Okay, so the moment you click that, you will get a new window here which says system configuration, and it has this different options. It goes with general, boot, services, startup, and tools. And in this manner, we need to go for the second option, which is the boot. Okay, so in my case, you can see here I have only one Windows or operating system, which is my default OS. But if in your case you have two or three copies and you want to delete that because you get a lot of options again whenever you restart or reopen your computer, just have to make sure that you select your default OS, okay? And then click the second one, which is your other operating system. So once done, you just have to click on delete to delete that operating system. Okay, so make sure that you only leave and the default OS. So leave it untouched. Okay, so because that is your default operating system. Okay, so that's it. That's how easy to remove other operating system in your computer. So hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.